welcome to our 2023 Phoenix Business Exchange Christmas party. Members came together to celebrate the season in person. Food and beverage were shared amongst members. Tanya, Steve, and Patricia are enjoying a great chili. Tony needs to know who has been naughty or nice. Full prizes were supplied by Cogier, Connected Cars, Bellevue Quality Frozen Foods, by Media Design, and Higher Self. Here's Sam, Mark, Dave, and Mike. Bring smiles to you and yours. Tony and Bernie taking in the year, and the year to come. Many changes happened this year and some great changes for the next one to come. Penny Lee and Josh talking up the charm with the CEO of the Eastern Ottawa Resource Center, Stephanie Fragman, and her hubby. Terry Black has a chat with the not-so-tiny elf, and not on a shelf. From the real estate side, Eric and Wendy give us a warm greetings for the season. We did a check presentation to the Eastern Ottawa Resource Center from our September golf tournament. Phoenix raised over $3,850 from that event. Here Tony presents to Stephanie, the CEO of the center. Wendy Chung from the House and Condo Group won the 6 months free Wi-Fi. Alex Points Wright from Evolta Electric won the laptop supplied by Sterling Grace Technologies. Norm Boyer from Boyer Boys Home Maintenance and Repairs won the grand prize of a vacation to the sunny south. The event was graciously hosted at the Cogier Windsor Park Retirement Home on Hunt Club. From all of us at Phoenix, we wish a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Interested in knowing more about Phoenix? Check out our website pbex.ca.